Kia ora, fam.
Hey guys, it's been a wild 8 weeks, almost 8 weeks, and we just wanted to get you an update.
We've had a ton of you reaching out, asking how things are going, what's new, tell us all the stories, and despite the fact that neither of us enjoy being in front of the camera at all, we have a ton of footage that we've been capturing in the background, and a lot of these stories are too good not to share.
Paparazzi footage. A la Nick. Lots of challenges, lots of good stuff. We really hope that you enjoy the ups, the downs, and this is just the first 2 weeks of the adventure.
Pretty unfiltered.
I have no idea what we're getting ourselves into, and it's gonna be dark, and we're gonna sleep on the boat.
Yep, so we're just left West Palm Beach,
Yeah.
and on our way to see the boat for the first time. Yep. Go through. And now we're looking for a white tundra, which is right there. Alright, let's go and have a look, eh? It's Maria's new boat. And then into the belly of the beast.
Oh my gosh, smells like an RV. Here she is. That's where we're gonna be sleeping tonight. Better pop some wine. Got some work to do. Washing my face. Just getting ready for bed for tonight.
How was your first night?
Oh, a little iffy. Need some coffee.
What is it, 7 in the morning?
Yeah.
It's just finding the cleaning supplies.
Time to clean.
Cheers.
It's good morning. Day 1 in the books.
End of day 1, and
Finally showered. Didn't brush our teeth until 9 p.m.
it's been one hell of a long day. Boat's looking fantastic though. We've got a lot of it rigged up and
Cleaned a lot. Spent all day cleaning.
yeah, the inside looks phenomenal. Whereas been killing it.
It's been very dirty. Not very dirty actually. It's just everywhere needs cleaned. What is this? Day 2. And saw Jackie and Pete. Got a bunch of our belongings. Yeah. And all of Nick's Amazon orders.
Alright, so the first leak we found was actually in the sink. The faucet was leaking pretty profusely. So unfortunately we went down to Ace Hardware and found the identical faucet, which is almost up here, and just going through and putting that in now. And while we're doing that, we're going to put in a carbon water filter. So out with the old one. This is where the new one will go in. And we'll silicone that up. Should be away laughing. Time for the fun bit, which is the toilet is leaking. We've got a little bit of water coming down. They've clearly done a patch job before. Doesn't seem like there's priming at all. Tell us what you've done.
I just got a lot of food so we don't go hungry. We won't die. We will not be dying.
Not to mention, this is our second trip.
We had extra space.
Yeah.
What do you do with 20 onions? Onion soup.
I think I should have brought an Allen key up. It looks like it could be tightened. Oh, look out! Yeah, that's the point right there. Yeah. I think we're good. Because the connections really didn't look bad.
You'll find some gators.
A little...
Ah! That was so wet on me.
She's doing donuts.
Next favorite thing.
She is doing donuts. Back up here again. It's in place, so if you can go and power on the breaker, and then let's check out the instruments.
I'm still 0-0 and no movement.
Damn it.
We had a lot of mishaps at the beginning of the day. We went to go purchase a item from West Marine that they said online was at the Jupiter store, and got there and
It was a chain link for our anchor. Our last 20 foot of anchor has a rusted link.
get there and he's like, oh, we got it, there's the last one there, and it ends up being 3/8.
And we need 5/16.
End up calling a couple of other places in the car trying to find the part. A West Marine in Stewart says that they have it, and we're like, great, super, Christmas miracle. Drive down there, Nick goes in the store, wrong part.
Definitely the wrong part.
So that was a bummer. That was not a good start to the day. We're gonna do all kinds of other things. So bump.
We actually have this spot.
We won't be kicked out. That's good. They gave us the marina rate for the monthly, and also we won't have a push to get out of here tomorrow or the next day, but we do need to be out of here by the beginning of the year.
Tomorrow we're gonna go and do some practicing in the channel.
Run
And
some drills.
probably take some footage of that as well. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. And other than that, we cleaned the deck and
But it's looking
organized
good.
a little bit, and slowly feeling like you're not tripping over things all the time.
Yeah. Maria cooked a killer meal tonight as well.
Gotta be creative when there's only chicken and cans of beans. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got a lot of provisions.
lots of chicken, lots of beans.
Yeah. Alright, you ready? First time doing it. We're gonna wish us luck.
Hey, look over here. Smile.
We got out, but will we get back in?
Sure you will. Maybe stick to the middle.
Stick to the middle. And we're doing it. We did it. We only ran aground once.
Cheers.
I'm very proud of us.
Made it out, made it back, anchored. Boat's still in one piece. Haven't sunk it yet.